This is going to be a lesson for Trigger Cut by Pavement. I haven't done a lesson in a while. Shit's been all fucked up, and I've been sick for like a month and a half too. But anyway, here we go. Okay, so I might as well teach that little part, the Wounded Kite at 17. So that is in standard tuning, and it's 7th fret of the A string here, and then 999. This is an E chord, and it's like that. And then you move down from the 7th fret of the A string to you bar the 7th fret. Or sorry, the 5th fret at the E, and you bar all this, and then you grab the 7th fret of the A with your ring finger, and then the 6th fret of the G with your middle like this. So you have this chord, and then you just move this chord up 2 frets, like that, and that's just that. And that's the Wounded Kite at 17 part. And then for Trigger Cut, you're in Malcolmus tuning. It's C, G, so C, and then G. And then D, G, B, E from standard. So like you can do D chords. So it's standard on the top 4 strings and then C and G. So it should sound like this. C string, then G, then D, G, B, and E. And it starts out just, you're muting the E string and just playing the A and D. Doing that, you're kind of just doing down strums, and then you grab the 3rd fret of the A string one time, and then the 6th fret of the E, back to the, then the 5th fret, this is just the intro. When it goes in, it's 5th fret of the D string with an open A. And you're also muting the C here, so 5th fret of the D, all down strums. Then up to 8. So part, and then it's like 9/9. So anyway, the first part was this. But it's 9/9 on the A and D. It's mostly on the A and D strings. It's 9, and then it's 7/9. So a little passing chord, and then it's 6/7, 5/5, and then 4/5, and then you do open A string and 4th fret. You leave the 5th fret here, but do 4th fret here. So altogether, it's like this. And then the next part is like this. It's really just these 2 chords. It's 4th fret of the G string and 5th fret of the B. So 4/5 down to 2/3. But you're also grabbing, if you can, the 4th fret of the C and G. So I do it with my thumb and then grab these 2 like this. Concentrate on the 4/5, and then this last part is it's just 5th fret of the A string, and then you skip the D and do 5th fret of the G, and it's 4/5. So it's like this. Yeah, that's the whole song, and then it just goes back into. like the E minor pentatonic here, which is yeah, it's just so these are not standard. This is C and G, but these 4 strings you can still do the pentatonic box here, which is 12-14 on the D string, 12-14 on the G, and then 12-15, 12-15. So it's just like bending and I don't know. Yeah, that's how I did the solo there. But yeah, hopefully that was good.